Hey everyone, Michael Coovadia here. And in today's video, I'm going to be speaking about the fitness industry, mainly whether it is the right industry or not for you to be in. So to begin with, this video is going to be essential for you if you are looking at exploring a industry in the fitness space, or if you are a current fitness professional in the fitness niche, right? And your business is not probably going that well and you're looking at different alternatives and questioning whether or not it is going to be the industry for you moving forward. So to begin, let's start off with the fitness industry, where it was and where it is today, and where I see the growth from studying the industry, understanding the metrics of the industry, understanding where we are at this moment in time and how growth is going to take place. So to begin, let's take the average fitness professional, right? I'll use a personal trainer in this example because I used to be a personal trainer as well. But you could be a yoga instructor, a swim coach, biokineticist, whoever you are, you get the point. Now, back 5 or 6 years ago, right, you had to be working in a gym, you had to work in a physical location in order to be able to work with your clients. Online wasn't really a thing and nobody was really doing that at all. Sure, there might have been a few fitness coaches selling workout and diet plans, but nothing like there are today, where we have fully interactive plans where you could work with your clients one-on-one online using technology like Zoom or whatever it might be at the end of the day to interact with your clients regardless of where they are in the world, right? Things weren't like this 5 or 6 years ago. In the past, what you had to do was you had to pay for a physical location. So that means you were confined between the 4 walls. Let's take the personal trainer in this example of your local gym. Now, you had to pay a percentage of what you earned to the gym, or alternatively, you had to pay rental. Now, the same is true whether you had a yoga studio or whether you were a biokineticist. You worked in a physical location, or you currently work in a physical location, and you have to pay a rent to own that physical space, right? Then, what are the determining factors to say how many clients you're going to get through? So in the example of the personal trainer, you're probably going to rely on the amount of feet that come through the gym on a monthly, daily, or weekly basis in order to know what your chances are of signing up new clients, right? If the gym's in a popular location or not, that will greatly impact your chances on whether you attract new clients or not. Because the more people that come through those doors, the more opportunity it presents for you to present your services to those new members and actually go ahead and sell what it is you have to offer, right? The second thing comes to the price of that location. So if it's a pricey or if it's a great location, then you would pay a prime rate for it, just like real estate. If you want to live right at the beachfront, then guess what? You're going to pay a prime rate for living right at the beachfront versus if you had to live 20 streets back and could only see the beach in the distance. The same is true for your business, right? And that's how people really worked on their businesses. And then we had one more determining factor, which was seasons, right? So because you live or you worked in a specific location, you were bound to the seasons. So come winter, come the fall, people would start coming through to the gym. The gyms would get quieter, the amount of feet coming through would be less. When it was time for summer or time to go on vacation, so many more people would come through to the gyms and your chances for making new clients would increase quite a ton. What did that do? That put your income levels on a wild roller coaster, right? 1 month you earned really well, the next month you didn't. 1 month you were able to afford all your expenses and put money into your savings account, and the next month you were living from your savings account because you weren't making enough money. Gone are those days, and hello, welcome to the future. Now, how do I see the future? Since I've been doing it, I've been an online trainer as well. I've taken my business online, not just 1, but 2 businesses, and we operate around the entire world. Now, the first and foremost thing that you actually get rid of is that location, right? So you don't have to pay heavy fees any longer. You're not bound by 4 walls. The other thing is it doesn't matter where you are in the entire world. So now you're not necessarily paying for that prime real estate any longer, because if you know how to use advertising, digital advertising might I add, you'd be able to attract clients from any location around the entire world that want what it is you have to offer, provided you know how to digitally advertise the services that you are currently offering, right? And then number 3, and the most important, you never have to worry about those seasonal fluctuation changes any longer, meaning your income's not like a wild roller coaster. It can be stable and allow you to grow from strength to strength month by month. Why is that the case? Let me give you an example. Let's take America, right? We look at the winter months, so we take December, January, February. You could be a trainer having an online business and working with clients in America during December, January, February, or For example, take the rest of the year except December, January, February. But now you notice that due to the fall, due to winter, due to it being colder, people don't want to train. People don't want to go to the gyms. They don't want to train in their homes either. What they'd prefer to do is more hibernate, right? Like a bear. They want to go into hibernation. They want to put in some weight. They want to spend more time with their family, eat comfort foods. That's okay, but it's not okay for your wallet. So what do? You digitally advertise your services to people in other locations. So now we can go south of the equator, right? Any country, Australia, New Zealand, Bali, South Africa, wherever it might be, south of the equator where it's summer. And guess what? Now you have people that actually do want to go ahead and sign up for the services, because in that country, it is the summer months. They want to get in shape. They want to go on vacation. They want to have the six-pack, the great body. They're getting ready for weddings, whatever it might be. You see it, right? You're not bound by location. You're not bound by seasons. You control your own destiny and your own fate. So it's extremely important to understand this. The old method of doing business was great in 2010, in 2015. It worked well. But we are currently in 2022. Now, this brings me to the future. How do I see the projected growth? Now, very recently, I had put together an entire webinar, right? If you'd like to watch the webinar, all you need to do is click on the link in the description below and you'd be able to register for it. It's completely for free. Watch the entire webinar. I'm not going to explain what it's about right now, but it's going to teach you a ton about digital advertising. Now, while building this entire webinar, I had to do a ton of research. And the research that I found showed that there's a 178% growth spurt year by year for the fitness industry, leading this industry to $4.5 trillion over the next 8 years. Now, how crazy is that, right? Online education is at its peak. People are moving to an online space. Consumers are no longer looking for physical locations, no longer looking for places they have to go to. They want things to be done seamlessly and online, just like this YouTube video. You don't have to go to a classroom any longer because that's 1990. You can open YouTube and learn anything under the sun, right? You can open the internet and have access to information, unlimited information from multiple sources, and be able to learn exactly what it is you want to learn. And the same is true for you, for your clients, and for the fitness industry. People are going to be using more fitness apps. People are going to look for online trainers. So if you are looking to start an industry or start a career in the fitness industry, then I can assure you that this is the right industry for you. If you are looking at leaving the fitness industry because you haven't been making enough cash, or you're double checking whether this is the right decision that you've made, I can assure you that there's nothing better and no better industry to be in at this moment in time, right? Provided you have the business skills and you understand marketing. Because gone are the days where you just needed to know how to lift dumbbells, how to stretch out your clients, how to work on rehabilitation. Your skills, if you can deliver in that, that's great. That will just push up your success rate and make more people speak about you. Lighthouse clients, right? What that means is one person knows about you and now they're going to speak to 100 other people that come through to your work. Now imagine taking that and blowing it up in a digital online space. Now, you get those lighthouse clients, they talk about you, right? What you're going to want to do is get so many of them that they're going to speak about you in every single corner of the world, and that's exactly how your business is going to be able to grow. So it's extremely important to understand this. You can definitely make it in this industry, but you must focus on the business skills. You need to understand digital marketing. You need to understand how to work with clients around the entire world. The software, the tools, the email marketing, the automation, the team. How do you structure and formulate an entire business that will be profitable and will be able to withstand the ultimate test of time in any country, any economy around the entire world? You work on those business skills. Now, as I've said, I've put together an entire webinar, right? If you want to learn digital marketing, you can click on the link in the description and you'll be able to go through to that, register for it, and learn about marketing. Alternatively, if you want to learn the skills needed, if you want us to lay out a step-by-step detailed approach for you to grow your fitness business, then simply book a call with me or my team where we'll assess your current business, where you are right now. So even if you don't have a business, but you're looking at getting started, this is the right step for you. Click on the link. It will be the second link in the description below. Book a call with me or my team completely for free. Again, we'll assess your business, or if you don't have a business, assess the goals and what you're looking to achieve, and then lay out a step-by-step detailed plan for you to follow to take your business online. Forget about the online coaches or the online gurus posting their six-figure steps to an online or more profitable fitness business, those content schedules or anything like that. It doesn't work where you are at this moment in time. I know at this very moment in time, you're you're probably battling with your finances, or you don't have the financial means necessary in order to pay for digital advertising. And that's why you need a step-by-step approach to help you where you are right now. And that's exactly what I am offering you in the form of a strategy call to help you assess your business and then make a plan to move forward. So that's it for me from this video. I want you guys to stay focused, stay determined, because this is definitely the industry to be in. As I said, a $4.5 trillion industry within the next 8 years, and you want to make sure that you are a part of it. Share this video with someone that needs to see this. If you know of someone that's starting in the fitness industry or someone that's looking to exit the industry because they don't think that it's the industry for them, they need to see this video, so make sure to share. As always, like, subscribe, comment below and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video next week.